We are in our Welcome to Church series, where hopefully we're talking about some things that we value here at Catalyst and how they are in alignment with what God is doing. So, we have been talking over the last few weeks about how we as a people here at Catalyst, we value prayer and the Word of God. If you're ever at a place, I'm sure you're all going to attend here for the rest of your lives, and so are your kids, and grandkids and great-grandkids. But if happenstance you move away and you are ever at a place that does not value prayer and the Word of God, find a different place. That's foundational. We have got to make that our highest value, right? Here at Catalyst, we are a people who value relationships highly. We put these up right under that because I don't know, and Jesus says this, to love God completely, you've got to love people. And to love people completely, you've got to love God. And unless you're doing them both of them are sort of missing out. So here at Catalyst, we are a people who value relationships. Last week, we talked about something that really seemed to strike an interest with so many people.